little something like.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this abstract canvas. So I had this idea in my head of having an abstract painting of a chandelier. So I decided to use acrylic paints and gold and silver leaf. The silver leaf resembles the chandelier itself and the gold leaf resembles the lights. I put the canvas together with just pieces of wood. I covered it with thick white cotton drill, fastened it with staples, and then I painted it with Geolux brilliant white paint. I let that dry and then I created texture with a PVA glue, white grout, and mix it in with water to create a nice thick paste. And then I centralised the pattern of a chandelier. After that dried, I left it for a few days until it fully dried. I removed any bits that were falling off. Then I started painting. So I'm just mixing basic colours. I wanted 3 or 4 colours in the canvas. I mixed the beiges in a few different shades by mixing a few primary colours. I continued mixing colours until I got the desired colours I wanted. So here I'm applying some silver leaf. I applied in the areas which are meant to be the chandelier. So here's the finished piece. I'm really pleased with how it turned out. I hope you like it as much as I do. Thank you for watching. Bye.